Planning on starting your own YouTube channel and getting the right gear for vlogging? Hi there, this is Faraz. I welcome you all to yet another video of unboxing a complete stack of a vlogging kit. Let's begin. So I have 6 items lined up here and I'm going to unbox each of them one by one very quickly, which means this is not a full review. The first thing to get into my Amazon cart was the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Let me quickly unbox this. Ooh, this comes with a very nice pouch. And there you go. You have the camera. Very small, very compact. Let me keep it aside. Then there is the USB-C cable for charging. This is the mount. The battery. This is mount to actually fix it to the base of the camera. Let me peel off the plastic. Plastic on the lens. And this is the front screen. This is the touch screen. As I said, this is a quick unboxing, so I'm going to move to the next item, which is the tripod, and it says mini extension pole with tripod. This is also from GoPro. So let me pull it out. Okay, this is really small. I was thinking that it would be a little bigger, but let me see how much it extends. Yeah, very handy. I think the quality is also good. Of course, it comes from GoPro. I wouldn't recommend buying any third-party products for your GoPro, because if it is from GoPro, then of course it will be of a better build quality, which will protect your camera. Nothing else in the box. Let me move to the next one, which is the 3.5mm mic adapter. I needed this because I got the Rode wireless microphone system, which comes with the receiver and transmitter. So the receiver sits on the GoPro and it needs the 3.5mm mic adapter. Let me quickly unbox this. Let me peel off the tape. And it says lifetime warranty, which is good because this adapter is pretty expensive and there's no other alternative option. Yeah. All right, let me go to the next box, which is the wireless Go microphone system. Has a tape on this side. Okay, and on the box it says it has the receiver, transmitter, 2 fur windshield. This is to reduce any wind noise around the camera or the speaker. There are 2 USB-C cables, 1 SC cable which connects into the receiver, and it also comes with the pouch. Let me pull off the box. Okay, it says stay here. Very easy. Wow, the pouch is really nice. It's very small, and I'm sure the receiver and the transmitter are sitting inside the pouch. These are the 2 USB-C cables, and these are the 2 fur windshields which reduce noise around, and this is the SC cable. Let me pull out the transmitter and the receiver. They have protective covering on them as well. This is the receiver and this is the transmitter with the mic on top. Let me go to the next one. This is the Ulanzi protective case, which has provision for fixing all the items that I have purchased as accessories. This one is made of plastic, but the material feels really good. It's sturdy. The last item on my list was the Sandisk Extreme Pro MicroSD card, which comes with the adapter. Now, I went with the Extreme Pro because I saw some reviews where people said that it's better to go with the Pro if you are going to shoot 4K video, but I have seen people using Extreme as well, which is of course much cheaper than the Extreme Pro. Now, this is 128 GB and it should suffice for me to capture maybe a couple of hours of video, but I have to see it once I insert it into the camera. Alright, I got rid of all the excess stuff on the table. I will now quickly show you how you can set up the GoPro 9 for vlogging with all its accessories. First of all, open the side panel, give it a gentle pull to get rid of it. It snaps out. This is because the case itself has its own side panel. Please remember, when you do that, the camera becomes non-waterproof, so please keep this safe. Now snap in the microSD card. And then goes the battery. You can press this button to power on the camera. Once the camera boots up, you will have to install the GoPro application on your phone and connect to the camera through the application. That's how you get the software updates. There's one thing I forgot to mention about the GoPro Shorty. It not just acts as an extendable pole, but it also acts as a tripod. So if I snap these things out like this, it acts as an excellent tripod like that. So let me pick up the Ulanzi case where all the action happens. The back panel of the case opens like this and the side panel as well. And now you can easily slide in the GoPro camera and close the back door. You can notice there is an opening on the side panel, which brings me to this part of the case, which is specially made for the 3.5mm mic adapter. And you need to slide it in like this, which makes it look very neat. And the cable goes in here into the USB-C port. Now let me fix the Shorty to the base of the camera, which goes in here. Just give it a gentle push and use the screw to tighten it. The case also has two cold shoe mounts at the top. One of them will be using for the Rode Wireless Go mic receiver, which will snap in just like this. Looks very neat. And the other one can be used for a light if you want to shoot in the night or in the dark. Now this is the SC cable, which connects into the 3.5mm jack of the adapter and onto the Rode wireless receiver. Now you have two power buttons on the Rode Wireless Go, both on the transmitter and the receiver. So you just need to hold it down and you see two light indications here. One is for the battery and the other one is for the connection with the receiver. So just hold down the power button on the receiver. You see a screen on the receiver which shows the battery percentage of both receiver and the transmitter, as well as the connection established. Now I chose the Rode Wireless Go mainly because I wanted to have consistency in the audio quality of my videos. However, the GoPro has its own inbuilt mic, but if you're going to move away from the camera, then you will need a wireless microphone like this one, because the transmitter will be hooked onto you. Even if you go away from the camera, the sound quality will not differ. Finally, you just have the covers to protect the lens of the camera. This is one of them, and the other one I got with the case is an open cover which snaps in like this. So this is the complete vlogging setup of the GoPro 9 Black. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, as in my next video I will be reviewing the camera along with the mic. Thank you and stay tuned.